Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to integrate Shopify products on WooCommerce without combining the two. So let's get started. First of all, you have to create your Shopify store if not created yet. And if you have it, then you can log in to the existing store. So next you'll need to set up your WordPress website. For this, we recommend using a software called Bluehost, which can automatically install WordPress for you and allows you to link both the websites, both the stores without combining. So after installing Bluehost, you have to sign up for it, and they will automatically install WordPress for you. You will see your WordPress site under the My Sites section in your Bluehost account. So simply click on the Login to WordPress button to access your WordPress admin dashboard. It would look something like this. And now the next step is to connect your WordPress website to your Shopify store. For that, you will need Shop WP plugin. It is a Shopify plugin for WordPress that allows you to easily connect WordPress to your Shopify account. So you need to install and activate Shop WP plugin on your WordPress site. Upon activation, you need to visit the Shop WP Pro and then click on the connect button from the bar above. After that, click on the begin the connection process button to launch the connection wizard. So this will launch the connection wizard. First, you'll be asked to enter myshopify.com domain name. So enter your store name here and then click on the connect your Shopify store button to continue. Next, you'll be asked to allow Shop WP app access to your Shopify store. Simply click on the install app button to start the connection process. Now this will take you back to your WordPress website. The plugin will confirm that your website is connected to the Shopify store. And now click on the next button to continue. Now you'll be asked to configure different settings for your store, starting with the pages you want to use for your Shopify products. You can turn on listing pages and then choose a WordPress page, or use the default Shop WP products page. Similarly, you can turn on collection pages and individual product detail pages. Now in the next step, you can choose what happens when users click on the products. You can show the product in a model or redirect users to Shopify or the WordPress product detail page. Next, you can choose how you want to display the cart. Shop WP comes with a custom cart experience that shows the cart in a slide-in model. You can turn it off if you are using individual product detail pages in WordPress. So after that, click on the Save button and Finish Setup button to exit the wizard. Next, you need to sync products between your WordPress website and your Shopify store. So simply switch to the Sync tab under the plugin settings. From here, you need to click on the Sync Detail pages and connect Auto Post Syncing buttons. This will allow the plugin to fetch any product details as you add new products to your Shopify store. So that's all. You have successfully connected your Shopify store to WordPress. That's how you can integrate Shopify products on WooCommerce without combining the two. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.